So this material world is jail. You cannot have freedom here. It is not possible. Daivijjisa gunamayi mama maya durattaya. And the superintendent of jail is Durga Devi. You have seen there are many worshippers of goddess Durga. She is the superintendent of this jail. Durga means fort. So this material world is just like a fort, and the predominating deity is the Durga Devi. Therefore, she is equipped with so many weapons, 10 kinds of weapons on 10 hands. And there are 10 directions. The 4 corners, east, west, south, north, and the 4 corners, up and down. These are the 10 directions. So you cannot escape. Just like from the jail, you cannot escape. There is very strong guard. Similarly, we are all put into this 4 Durga, material universe. So, and the deity, predominating deity is Durga Devi. There are some people, they think by satisfying Durga, we shall be happy. That is also mentioned in the Shastras, but that happiness is only within this material world. Dhanang dehi, rupang dehi, rupavati bhajang dehi, jaso dehi, dehi dehi. After worshipping goddess Durga, we ask all this benediction. Give me money, give me beautiful wife, give me reputation, give me strength, give me victory. Durga Devi gives you, but that is not actual happiness.
Durga, goddess Durga, in the Brahma Samhita, the goddess Durga is worshipped. In which way? Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Sadhana Shakti Reka Chaiva Jassa Bhavanani Vibhakti Durga. Mother Durga is the external energy or potency of Krishna, and she is so powerful that Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Sadhana. She can create, she can maintain, and she can annihilate or bring devastation. She is so powerful. Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Sadhana Shakti Reka. And Mother Durga is so powerful alone. Chaiva Jassa Bhuvanani Vibharti Durga. But she is acting not independently, but like the shadow. Chaiva Jassa Vibharti Bhuvanani. By the indication of Krishna. That is explained in the Bhagavad Gita also. Maya dhaksena prakriti suyate sacharacharam. So don't think that this material energy is working independent. She is working under the direction of Krishna. So a devotee knows this. Just like a policeman is working. A sane man knows that he is working not independently but under the government order. This knowledge is required. Not that because policeman has got some power, he becomes God. No, God is not so cheap. You can accept Parasa Shakti Vividaiva Sriyate. God has got multi-energies. One of the energies is Durga. Not that she is all in all. No, there are many millions of Durgas, many millions of Shivas, because there are many millions of universes, just like many millions of police posts. Similarly, these demigods, there are many millions, but God is one. God is not million. Of course, He can expand in million forms, that is different. Sangsha, Vibindans. So, this devotee offers respect to the demigods as the assistant or energy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, not as the supreme power. That is the difference. And one who does not know what is God, they take this demigod as supreme. They are less intelligent. Therefore, a devotee offers respect to the demigod, but he knows that Supreme Lord is Krishna. Krishna Sru Bhagavan Sam.